Meaning of hatchet job.
Hatchet job.
Hatchet job.
Hatchet job.
Hatchet job. Hatchet job is a term used to describe a malicious and damaging criticism or attack. It often refers to a deliberate attempt to ruin someone's reputation or career, often through the spread of false information or rumors. A hatchet job can have a devastating impact on an individual or organization, causing irreparable harm to their public image and personal relationships. It is often carried out for personal or political gain by those with an agenda or vendetta against the target. In short, a hatchet job is a calculated and harmful attack that can have serious consequences for the victim.